Okay friends, now see the full video how to create like this on your own. This piano sheet music is the main key for this concept. Use this sheet or you can also get it from Google search. This piano sheet differs from current piano sheet type. The current piano sheet will not mention the words in the line like FB and so on. These are the list of notes arranged in gap lines and above the lines in treble clef. In this image you can see a symbol which denotes treble clef type is used here. The 4/4 number represents the time signature. In the treble clef we can see it has 5 lines. Here F, which is a note, is placed between the line gap or line space. And here the B is a note which is placed just above the line. These are the important points you need to note in this music sheet. First open the flstudio software. Note that it's your own wish to choose channel rack, keyboard range, time signature and all other things in flstudio. Just be sure you will get the right output. Next in the channel rack click plus button. I am choosing FL keys for my convenience. Next right click the FL keys button and choose piano roll. Now the piano roll opens in new window. Next press Ctrl and T button. Now Auto tab will be displayed. Right click the Auto tab. Click Add Time Signature. Set both numerator and denominator to 4. Here the keyboard range I followed from C5 to C7. In music sheet first note is F, so I am choosing F5 in my keyboard range. Like this I am filling all other notes. That's all friends, thank you. If you like this video kindly subscribe, like, comment and share our channel.